Hey guys, just going to do a quick show through and unboxing video today of this Airsal alloy 70cc cylinder kit for Piaggio 50cc's and Aprilia 50cc two-stroke models. So I'll pop the kit out of the box and show you what's in it. Alrighty, so these are all the bits that you get inside the kit. So I've got a gudgeon pin here, the exhaust studs, circlips, full gasket kit. Here's a piston here. I've just gone ahead and chucked the rings on there. So you can see they have the special coating on them, on the outside of them, sort of shiny silver coating on the outside with the black on the rest of the ring. That'll be important in a minute. And slightly odd-shaped piston on these with the raised crown. So go ahead and have a look at the cylinder as well. So I mentioned the coating on the rings. The coating on the rings is for this absolutely stunning Nickel bore, which is the same type of coating that you get on the bore on a Malossi MHR or MHR racing cylinder. Same sort of coating, so you can see it's sprayed on there, electroplated on. So really beautifully polished, but also cross-hatched cylinder coating. So as I mentioned, this is an alloy cylinder as well. So it's the first thing you notice when you pick it up is that it's very, very light. So the main advantage with alloy, obviously it's a little bit lighter, but the main advantage is that it disperses heat much more efficiently than cast iron. So and that Nickel bore, the main advantage behind that is that Nickel is extremely tough. So I believe it provides a little bit less resistance on the piston as well. So hopefully a bit more power. So it is a fairly standard port map, not a 9-port like the Malossi MHR. So the MHR is still going to produce more power than this, but this sort of sits right between a Malossi Sport and a Malossi MHR in terms of specs. The MHR Rep, sorry, with the 9-port. Yeah, same sort of port map as the Sport, but in an alloy cylinder. Really nice quality, and a fantastic price point on these as well. So yeah, definitely worth having a look at for your scooter if you can't quite afford an MHR Rep, but you're looking for something with a little bit more performance than just a standard cast iron 70cc cylinder kit.